So here's what we're going to do. We're going to undo this 4,000. And this is where you might not remember. How do I undo an 8th power? Yeah, that 8th root thing. Or the 1/8. Either or. There is such a thing as an 8th root. There's any root, really. If you want to do the 8th root, if you look in your calculator, there, see that little X root? You would have to type 8 and use that. Or you should understand that the 8th root is the same thing as raising something to the 1/8 power. And so to save time, I like to do that. It's an 8th root. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go both sides, and I'm going to raise them to the 1/8 power. And let's see what we get. I get 1.079999. I'm going to call it about 1.08. Are you comfortable with that? So this was 1.08. I undid the 8th power, so it's gone now. So what's left on this side is 1 plus r. Will you guys tell me what's r then? R is 0.08. Which means what is the interest rate? 8%. Okay. Is this stuff coming back to you? Kind of, sort of. Okay. When you're asked to do doubling time or tripling time, it does not matter the amount in the account because you're doubling whatever money there is. It doesn't matter if it's $1 or $2. $1 doubled is $2, right? 1,000 doubled is 2,000. If I don't give you the amount in the account and I ask you how long it takes something to double, I tell people, do the easiest case there is, use $1. Because the amount it takes for $1 to double is going to be the amount it takes for any money to double, okay? So let's do this, and we're going to use $1. How long will it take $1 to double? Well, if $1 is my principal, after it doubles, how much is in the account? $2. So this is my amount in the account. 1 was my principal. Quarterly is 4 times a year, so I would write 1 plus 0.06 divided by 4 to the 4 times t power. I'm trying to figure out what t is. Okay. Now, if this was another number, then you'd have to divide, but you'd actually get 2 because we're doubling it. So I take 2 divided by 1 and it's still 2. All right, but I need this power to come back down. So what do I need to do next? Yeah, and you can use either log. Here's the deal. Natural log makes e cancel, so I just use it all the time. If you wanted to use common log for this, it would work too. So I'm going to take the natural log of 2, this side, and I'm going to take the natural log of this, which brings this 4t down to the front. Okay. Now, we can type all of this stuff in our calculator, can't we? Can't you type natural log? All right. So to get t alone, what things am I going to have to divide? Jackson? Well, you tell me. What's 1 times anything? All right. get rid of the 4, so I'm going to divide by 4, and I'm also going to divide by the natural log of whatever this is, 1 plus 0.06 over 4. Okay, let's get our calculus out. So I get 11.6-ish. It doesn't say which round. Years.